Ow! Ow! Ow, Peepa! All I did was pester you. I don't know why you're so mean.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant stay.
So the kids are home most of this week. They came down with a cold over the weekend. They didn't run fevers or anything, but they still have to be signed off by their doctor before they can go back. It's going to be a long flu season. So my week is going to be a little hectic. I am hoping I won't get sick. I've been using the Health Shield essential oil. I don't remember what brand it is. It's a good brand. Like, I know that some people have their brands that they swear by, but for me, if it's 100% pure, it doesn't make me break out or anything. And I've been using this for a few years. So I'm trying to get as much work as I can done today. Today is Monday because I don't know if I'm gonna be sick the rest of this week. The mail is supposed to be here soon, and I'm expecting some exciting things. I have another Halloween decoration that is never going to be put away, and that should be coming today. And then I have some more wood panel canvases coming. Last week I did end up making some wood panel canvas paintings. These are all already packaged because I didn't want them to get damaged or anything, but they're completely wood and they are so pretty and I love them. Some of them are sold, but there are still some in my shop. That one's really not wanting to show. Turn off the light, see if that helps. Ooh, it does not. It does not help at all. My favorite, as you probably could guess, are the kitties with the moon phases. I'll definitely be making more of those. This is my second favorite. As previously mentioned, even if and when, as the case has been so far, the eyeball flowers don't do super well, they're still like my obsession right now, so not going anywhere anytime soon. Yeah, so that's what I have so far. I bought more of this size. This is a 5x5, and then I also bought some longer ones that are 4x8. And my plan for those is to do like some skeletons and some moon phases. Yeah, I also have new bookmarks showing up today or tomorrow. I'm actually just going to pop a video in of me showing them, or maybe put some pictures in from my shop because the glare here is a pain, and they're all nicely like in this little container. And if I take them out, the tassels are gonna get all messed up. So that's what's going on here so far. I did get the new prints in, the Pottsfield couple, the pumpkin couple. And those, like I said, those arrived this morning. And I also will be shipping out the skeleton knitting hands this week. Other than that, I have been very slowly working on another skeleton theme. I don't know if I can show you it on my iPad. Oh yeah, you can see it okay. I can't decide if I'm just going to do that guy as a note card or if I want to do like prints. And then I'm working on another bigger piece that is taking me forever, like forever. I don't know when this will get done, but it is an 8x10 and it's a series of skeletons wearing different hand knits. And their bones have like like they're kind of mottled and have speckles. One of them is wearing a shawl and fuzzy socks holding a cup of tea. I have no idea what I want to do with the far left one, or is it your right? Over here, this one right here. Right now it's a skull that has, oops, I don't want that, stop it. Right now it's a skull that has kitty ears on a hat, but I don't know. I'm not loving it so far, so I figure I'm just gonna keep working on the ones that I am happy with, and then maybe the fourth skeleton will come to me, but they're taking a really long time. Oh. We got some new headphones, and by we I mean me, and those of you that follow me on Instagram have already seen these, but they are amazing. They are probably more popular than me on my account at this point because they light up, they look like they have cat ears. I mean, they are perfection. So these are wonderful. They're by Mindcoo, and I got them on Amazon. I'm gonna get to work now. You guys may remember that I was working on some fingerless gloves last vlog, maybe 2 vlogs ago, I don't remember. And I finished 3 pairs. Rory already has hers, and she wore them to school last week, which, crazy girl, but she loved them. And then I've got these 2 for our friend's daughters, and it's showing up brown, but this is actually like a really dark, beautiful purple. And then yeah, I really hope that they like them. They were super quick to make, and now I need to make Will's because he wants them too. For Will's, I'm casting on 36 instead of 32, and I'll be closing the zigzag here so it's not hearts, which was his request because he's a boy. So we don't need all the lovey-dovey hearts all around our wrists when we go to school. People won't think we're cool. So it's like 3 days later, and I don't know if you can tell from how I sound, but I did get sick. We took the kids to the doctor and their COVID tests were negative, which I knew they would be, but Rory has strep, so she could have gone back to school today, but she just had a lot of congestion and I did not want her in a mask at school with that congestion, so she'll go back on Monday. Will did not have strep, which was weird, but so he went back yesterday. I won't be talking very long because I get out of breath real easy, but I don't know if it's just a head cold for me or if I have strep, like if I'm like Will or if I'm like Rory, but yeah, I ended up having to put a she has so much energy, she feels great, she just has congestion now. I ended up having to put a message on my Instagram saying that there would be a shipping delay because like if I'm still I can knit or I can maybe draw, but when I start like trying to do things I get like really like sweaty and just weak. So anyway, today we have the bed nest, which is what I do whenever I get sick or need a mental health day or something. So we have our table and like goodies. The cats love it when I do this. They like to like get under the little table, like a little hut. I've got my knitting back here, and Molly just put out a Patreon video of a homespun house, so I'm going to do that and use about 1,000 tissues. So, but I don't know if you can hear Rory, she still has a bit of a cough. So that's been our week, and it's also why this vlog is not going out when I would have liked to release it today or tomorrow morning, but it will probably be Sunday or Monday before it gets released because I just don't have a lot of material because I've been either taking care of sick kids or I've been like this. So anyway, I'm gonna relax today because you guys are all awesome and completely understood and told me to take some time to get better, and so that is what I'm doing. But yeah, I just love you all. You're so nice that no one, I don't think I've actually ever really had anyone message me and be like, why isn't my order going out? What is wrong with you? So I just have really patient, really understanding, just the best customers. So, and I have coffee. I know I should have tea, but your girl doesn't really like tea. Will you be able to work because it's 3 hours? Nervous, obviously, as I've had so many problems with this tube and hoping that everything goes correctly and heals correctly. Sitting in the studio, I know I've already shared this just quickly on Instagram. I know all of you maybe don't follow on Instagram or maybe you just didn't touch it. And I'm feeling slightly guilty for posting on Instagram because I'm like, think for now I'm gonna get out of this room for a little while. I'm not feeling a whole lot different, but I've got a hair that's doing something wild back there. But I've been in this room for a really long time, so I'm gonna go out and check on Adam and the kids and see if there's anything that needs doing out there. So yeah, really weird week being sick. Not fun. Don't recommend.